Laris from Richmond, Virginia has a question about moisture.
It's in his condo.
Okay.
And Laris writes, my condo is not in a sunny area. It's kind of a shaded unit, kind of in the back, like in the trees area and all that. He says, I use moisture prevention bags in my closet. And my humidifier pulls a bucket of water out every day. I remove the flooring to dry it, and I'm trying to work with my association, he says, to fix the problems, and they're taking their sweet time. So I'm looking for a solution of my own. Laris wants to know, what would you do to address this humidity issue?
Well, it depends what time of year it is. In the wintertime, it shouldn't be an issue because you have the heater running and it's going to dry out the air.
True.
Right? And in the summertime, if you have an air conditioning system, your air conditioner needs to be tweaked so it actually dehumidifies. Now, this is Richmond, Virginia.
Right.
Houston, we have huge humidity problems, and so our air conditioner must be a dehumidifier also.
Right.
So if you have an air conditioning system, which you probably do.
I would think in a condo he's got an AC system.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah.
So make sure that it is tweaking and you're getting a good drop across the coil, like 25 degrees or more, and it's taking the humidity out also. And don't run the fan on all the time.
Oh, God.
Put it on auto. That gets to be a problem. But if it's a humidity issue and it's not being caused by something internally, it's just, you have to condition the air. That's why we call them air conditioners. And so I don't know if the condo association is going to do anything for you.
So the first step is get an AC guy in there and have him look at that system.
I would look at your mechanical system in the home.
Okay.
And some people might not be running it because they don't want to spend the money, and so sometimes they can come back and haunt you.
Right. You want to save the money on electric and spend it on the power for the humidifier and the bags that are absorbing the water. Right.
Yeah, and those things work, but if
at a cost,
I can't imagine the home itself, whether it's a condo or whatever, creating the humidity. It's got to be coming from the atmosphere.
Well, here's another thing, too. It's possible, too, that his air conditioning could be too big for it, too, and it's short cycling.
That's what I mean. It's air conditioning.
Yeah.
There's a lot of different things the air conditioner could be doing. And then you have lifestyles. People who have a lot of pets, people who have a lot of plants, the humidity levels in the homes go up. Mm-hmm. So if you're living in a greenhouse inside your home, and I don't know how this gentleman lives,
right,
but that can be a huge problem. People don't realize, and they say, well, they're my lovely plants. Well, you're watering them all the time, and they're giving off all that humidity, and it gets to be a problem. So
what are they giving off again?
Humidity.
They're giving off carbon dioxide, aren't they?
That too.
Okay, all right.
No, they're giving off oxygen. We're giving off carbon dioxide.
Monoxide, don't we? Whatever, I don't know.
We're dioxide.
It's been a while since
carbon monoxide comes out of a car.
Monoxide. Well, depends what depends what you're putting in too. All right.
Anyway, a lifestyle has a lot to do with it, but the bottom line is look at your mechanical system.
And do it soon. And need more help with other questions? Send us your questions. We'll give you answers just like that, even better. So send us yours. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button in the upper right-hand corner. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.